On April 30th, 1945, Soviet troops liberated Ravensbrück, one of the lesser-known Nazi camps. They were met with scenes that defied comprehension. This is World War II in 2. I'm Jason Dawsey here at the National World War II Museum. When we look back, the Allied liberation of the Nazi camps in 1944-45 had a huge impact on our collective memory. One of the lesser-known camps, Ravensbrück, about 50 miles north of Berlin, was liberated by the Red Army on April 30th, 1945, the same day that Adolf Hitler committed suicide in his Berlin bunker. Ravensbrück's construction, ordered by SS leader Heinrich Himmler, was completed in early 1939, and the first inmates arrived that May. Although some men were held there, it was intended to be almost exclusively for women. During World War II, the SS incarcerated more than 120,000 women in Ravensbrück. They came from all over the European continent, but the countries with the three largest populations were Poland, the Soviet Union, and Greater Germany, which included Austria. The Nazis confined to Ravensbrück socialists and communists, women accused of race defilement, those charged with being asocials or work shy, as well as Jehovah's Witnesses. Jews and Roma were also numbered among the prisoner population. After 1941, the SS frequently turned over prisoners deemed weak or ill to be put to death by personnel responsible for murdering the disabled. Forced labor for the Nazi war effort became central to Ravensbrück's operations between 1943 and 45, as more than 40 sub-camps were built. In early 1945, the SS completed a gas chamber in the camp where some 5,000 to 6,000 inmates were murdered. Terrible overcrowding made Ravensbrück a living hell during the succeeding months. With the Third Reich in total collapse, Himmler ordered Commandant Fritz Zurine to evacuate 20,000 inmates. When the Soviets arrived on April 30th, they found 2,000 women, judged by the Nazis to be too feeble to march, in dreadful condition. Tragically, many of them died after liberation. Ravensbrück concentration camp is a memorial site today, yet another place where we can confront the inhuman character of the Nazi regime.